Welcome to motocompano. Now that you are successfully signed up and logged in, let's get familiar with your profile and some important settings. You can assess your profile on top of the screen or down here. Typically, the first thing you'd like to do is adding a profile pic, and you could do this directly here. But let's go to My Account first and add it here, preferably with more information about yourself to get in touch with the community more easily. You can add text to the description field and your real name. Don't forget to adjust who's able to see this information. For example, make the description visible for all users and the name for friends only. There are more fields to fill in personal information. They work just the same. In Notifications, you can adjust how you'd like to be notified about what's going on in motocompano. And in Settings, who's able to see your content and interact with you. Just make your adjustments as you please. Even as a free user, you get almost the full range of functions. If you want to lift the limitations, then here's the shop to upgrade to Pro or Pro Plus package. No tour without a suitable vehicle. Hence, My Garage is here to manage and present your motorcycle, scooter, e-bike, camper or whatever you use for your tours. You can connect your routes, tracks and the like to the vehicle you used for a tour. In the community, your profile pic is often accompanied by your vehicle's profile pic or name. This could help to decide who possibly shares your interests and who to follow or ask for a friendship connection. An overview of the users you follow and those who follow you can be found in Followers, and you can easily reach their public profile. Find Users lets you search for users by name. Now that we've covered my profile, let's have a quick look to some important settings. It's quite useful to enter your home address or any other place you frequently travel to, as it's used for easy routing with the Bring Me Back Home function. The Help section is listed here too. And the just mentioned Bring Me Back Home function is accessible in the route menu up here. Finally, you'll find everything about maps, like the selection and the management of offline and online maps, as well as settings, what should be displayed on them, here in the Maps menu. That's it for now to introduce you to some important settings and how to set up and use your profile. Watch some of the other videos to get a more in-depth look into the many features available. Take care when on the road and have fun while you intensify your motor life with motocompano.